for only $100 a month. Well, there are some people that do not appreciate being treated like animals, and they are the ones that have left negative reviews about Uday and his call center. We can read, for example, that people write things like worst work experience I ever had. They did not pay me for 3 months. I suffered a lot for this fraud company, and the manager who did is the most treacherous guy I've ever seen in my life, and that Uday, the so-called team leader, treats his employees as his slaves. Actually, they seemingly all are slaves of Manme, the so-called director of the company, and it's apparently a fake organization, fake process, unauthorized company that don't give salaries in a hell place with a bad working environment and no coordination. In my last video, I thought it would be good to ruin these scammers their horrible work experience even more by calling them up and pretending to be a victim, which is how these guys found out that they were hacked, sort of. It was actually one of my friends that was also making a video on these scammers that alerted them of our presence by doing this.
Hello.
Hello?
A very good afternoon to you, sir. Am I speaking with Mr. Jonathan Sue?
Yeah, and I believe I'm speaking to Asla.
After the scammers found out that we had hacked their entire office, they were very quick to take everything down as if they had practiced it as a fire drill. This has happened in multiple call centers that I confronted with my presence, and I think this reaction stems from a lot of these scammers watching videos of other call centers getting hacked and them being paranoid of it happening to themselves, so they already have a plan in case it actually does happen to them. Within 2 minutes, the call center's local servers, computers, phone systems, CCTV cameras, and router were all unplugged, and they've completely wiped everything down since I've uploaded that part 1 video on them. In response to part 1, the bosses of this call center also had the nerve to file a police report against me, which is just a scummy defense mechanism to show the police and their employees that they are so-called innocent. I found this very interesting and decided to give the main man who days a quick call on his personal number to inquire about this report. Hello. Yeah, am I speaking to Uday?
Hi. Tell me how may I help you? You are talking to Uday. You are talking to.
Yes, I know, bro.
Tell me.
This is your number.
Please tell me how may I help you?
Yeah, I've seen that I've seen a letter of a police report and you say you're not a scammer, right? Can you explain to me how you're not a scammer?
Okay. Because we don't do scams.
Bro, I've literally seen you guys pretend to be HMRC. Are you allowed to pretend to be HMRC? Are you with the UK government?
Just wait, Cam, because I would just want to know about this thing as you said right now. Like, we are doing what?
I'm just asking you a question. Are you allowed to represent the United Kingdom government? Are you allowed to make calls in the name of the HMRC?
Not at all.
Okay, why have you done it then?
No, we haven't.
I have recordings. This is how I know you're lying. You're literally lying. I have recordings of you guys making calls in the name of HMRC.
Okay, but I don't know, like you have just tried to gain the PR permit. Anything you have tried to do it, right? We are not doing any kind of a scam or something like that, right? Which you're trying to prove it up.
Bro, I'm just saying, like, you're telling me you're not scamming people, but why are you pretending to be from HMRC? Why are you pretending to be from Domestic and General?
So we don't do these things, right? If you, of course, generally you have any kind of a problem with anything, right? Okay, you can complain about it, right?
Yeah, I am complaining. I'm publicly complaining about you guys running a scam operation. I made a YouTube video to complain about your call center because you are scamming people. You're lying. You're deceiving people. You're selling an empty service. You're misleading people. You're selling a can of air.
It can't be possible, Cambridge. You are not trying to understand the things, right?
Okay, what are you trying to make me understand? You're talking to me. Just get to the point. What do you want to tell me? Just say what you want to tell me. Don't like
if you have any kind of a problem, you can do a complaint about it. Of course, if we are, of course, doing the wrong thing. So you are